Hello, it's Esther here, and this is a recipe video because I'm going to make some almond milk. I've been meaning to do this for a while now instead of buying it from the supermarket, so I know where all the ingredients have come from and there's no additives or anything like that. So I have some soaked almonds here. I've soaked those overnight. I have some filtered water and some Himalayan sea salt. And then I'm going to make my breakfast, which is oatbran with lovely raspberries. Almonds into the blender with 4 cups of water. That's 1 cup of soaked almonds and 4 cups of water. And then give it a whiz. I just added in some sea salt, about a teaspoon, and you can sweeten it if you like. You can sweeten it with dates or honey or agave. But I'm not going to sweeten it because I'll use it for teas and smoothies and stuff like that, and if I want to add sugar, I'll add sugar at that point. I'm using this sieve to strain it through. I think it's more hygienic than a nut milk bag, and ideally I'd like a bit of muslin to put over the top of that, but I don't have any, so I'm going to just go with the sieve this time. Oh, it looks delicious. It looks like milk. I'm going to try it. How awesome is that? It's delicious. Just use a spoon to help that through. So I'm going to strain the rest of that through and then come back with the finished product and then make my breakfast. I've got almost a litre of almond milk that's beautifully like frothy on the top and amazing. I'm just like, I can't, that's amazing. No more buying it from the supermarket. I know exactly what's going into it. Okay, so quick clean down, then it's breakfast. You will need 1 milk pan, a shake of oatbran. I'm going to use 3 dessert spoons. Add to that some of your freshly homemade almond milk. And take it over to the cooker where I will heat it up. If you want your porridge raw, then you need to soak it, probably overnight. Soak your jumbo oats or your oatbran or whatever cereal that you're using in your milk or water overnight, and then it will puff up and you can have it like that. But I'm going to have it hot. So I've got my porridge here. I've sweetened it with 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'm a salt in porridge kind of person, so I have a little bit of Himalayan sea salt in here. It is literally like 2 degrees in London and snowing, so porridge is the order of the day. Some lovely raspberries, and then I just treat myself to raspberries. Could put some bananas as well, I guess. I think it's important to make our food look appetising on the plate or in the bowl. put some pumpkin seeds over for a bit of crunch. Looks quite nice. And some dry gojis, better soaked, always better soaked. And that's what it looks like. So excited for breakfast. Delicious. Nutritious and warming. I'm going to go finish that now. So yeah, that's what's possible with homemade almond milk. I'm so excited about that. So, if you have any ideas of what I can do with my pulp, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Thumbs up, share the video, favourite the video, and I will see you next time. My name's Esther and this is The Living Fruit. Thanks for watching.